should open like this.
Hey viewers, I hope you are enjoying your life and the best of your health. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do let us know. Your feedback, subscribe to the channel, and appreciate the contents we are producing. So basically in this video we are going to show you unboxing or reviews about camping stove, portable stove. So now if you see that the weather is changing, the temperature is going down, and it's perfect time to go outdoor activities, doing barbecue stuff, and doing overnight camping. So there are a few places in the UAE, or I would say more specifically in the Dubai, for instance, Love Lake, Half Desert, Kudra Lakes, and Expo Lake. These are some of the names that are coming on top of my head. So this is one of the tool you must need for an overnight stay. If you are, of course, do not want to go for the hassle of doing coal burning and all this stuff. So that is quick and efficient way of making us quick food, or maybe perhaps in the morning preparing a fast breakfast for you. So that's a must have item for all your outdoor camping needs. Let me give you a look around what we have here written. So it's basically card deck, portable stuff, compact, lightweight, automatic ignition is there, so you don't really need an igniter for that. Enameled pan support, cartridge safety locking system is there, drip pan, commodity pots and pans of 26 centimeter size, convenient carry case. So basically it comes with a packing, ideal for camping, picnics, and outdoor. What are the important instructions? Not intended for commercial use, of course. It does not really bear a heavy usage. Outdoor internal, so it's basically meant for outdoor use only, and there are of course some instructions given inside. So let's see what are those. So here you can see locking arrangement is there, but of course you can have to take this stuff out. I made it wrongly. So you should open like this. What are the important instructions? So some specifications, safety features. So yeah, it comes with a refill cartridges. Of course, when you buy this product, the cartridge is not included. Sometimes they give you for free, but this time around we have to buy those cartridges for 20 dirhams, and the price for this module alone was around 75. So in overall you would say 95 dirhams for this thing plus 4 cartridges. And as a rule of thumb, normally one cartridge consumes one time cooking for a person of 2 to 3 family members, for a family members of 2 to 3%. So usually it always recommended to keep a backup cartridges once you are on your way for camping. Safety instructions, troubleshooting. All right, so that's what we can see. That's how it should fix over here. So finally product is ready, and these are the 4 cartridges as we talked about earlier on. Let's see how it works. Just to give you a walk around on this product also, so these are some safety instructions. So just to make sure that the cartridges you are using are made up of butane gas. So first make sure that on this side you have this knob set to unlock, so that you can unlock this cover, and this should be set to off. Okay, so once it's at unlock position, you can easily open this thing, and of course remove the cap from the cartridge, and try to insert it somewhere here. So just to show you here how it goes, you see here uh, some arrangement given here. So be careful that this edge should fix over here. and over here you can see a hole, so this cartridge should go and fix over there. Once you are done with this, next thing you have to do is close this lid and push this on few lock position. Once you do this lock, you hear a little noise and you might see that yeah, so here you can see the guideline also suggests that the edge should be inserted in this way. So once you are done with this, you can start with this ignition and try to see. So normally for ignition, you have to turn the knob left side uh, counterclockwise, and then there down below you can see a button for the ignition. So you once you reach there, you have to try with the ignition like this. Once this stuff is on, so you can make it lower as per your desired needs. So that's the maximum level, which is quite good for cooking purposes. And then these are the different levels. This is the minimum level, I would say. Maximum, minimum. It's off, and then of course just make sure that once you have to refill the cartridge, make sure that you put this to unlock button. Once it is unlocked, of course what it's gonna do is it's gonna push this outwards and make it the grips are loosened, and then you can easily take the cartridge out and replace it with another one. So with this note, I hope that this is my first experience of using this thing, and I hope I've shared my experience, and I hope that it's really useful to you guys. Until next video, stay tuned, take care, bye bye.